Hi guys, this is Eva from Bay Harbor Med Spa, and I'm going to give you an example of people who are very suitable, black men who are very suitable for laser hair removal. I'm now speaking from my experience, and I'm sharing this with you from my patients, from my clients who come to the clinic, and I'm giving you some examples of people who either are or are not suitable for laser hair removal. So, for instance, black men. A lot of black men have ingrown hairs, and they're actually very painful here, here, or sometimes in the back of the head, of the skull. Very, very, very painful. And when they shave, they cut themselves because they already have like bumps of ingrown hair, so they and discoloration, they cut themselves, then that bleeds, that gives them even a bigger bump. They not always get the hairs out. And so what is the solution? Well, guys, all black men in the world that have this problem of ingrown hairs, scars, discoloration, the only solution to get rid of these hairs permanently for good, forever, is laser hair removal Cool Glide. Cool Glide is the only laser hair removal that can get rid of your hairs permanently and for good. I do this 5 to 10 times a day. I have guys that come here that I treat that came with horrible discolored face, with swollen face, with bumps, with keloids, with 10,000 ingrown hairs. The men were unable to shave because it is so painful, and the only way they would shave would be with an electric razor, and they did not know what to do until either a doctor recommended them to come to my clinic, because I specialize in black skin and I have a special laser. As I said, that Cool Glide is the only FDA approved laser that can treat black skin without destroying the pigment of the skin. And guys, I can make your face totally smooth. I can get rid of the ingrown hairs. I can get rid of your hair so you don't ever have to shave. And eventually, once we get rid of the hairs, once we get rid of the ingrowns, because in some cases I have to open it, I go with a lancet, I open it, I take them out, and then I do laser hair removal. So once we do laser hair removal for the ingrown hairs, once we get rid of your beard, and then you still have scars or you have discoloration on your skin, then I treat your skin. I do microdermabrasion treatment, I do some AHA treatment, I lighten the skin, I get rid of the scars, and in a process of 2 3 years, I bring your skin back to what it used to be. And so for men, neck, face. But remember, a lot of black men have tremendous problems when they shave their head, and they have tremendous problem with ingrown hairs in the back and on the neck. And it looks really very unappealing when it happens. But it happens because black men or black people that have hair have curly hair, very strong hair. However, sometimes the skin is so thick from either cutting it that the hair cannot break through. And if the hair cannot break through the skin, guess what happens? It goes this way. So from this happens. And then because black hair is curly, it curls up. And when it curls up, it creates a bump because it's not even laying flat. It just goes like this. And when it goes like this, look how different. This is much bigger than like this. So then that creates bumps. And of course, that hurts when you shave, and it's not very attractive. So if you have this problem and you live in Miami or in South Florida, then I am the solution for your problem. However, if you live anywhere in America or in the world or in the Caribbean, please look for somebody, a licensed clinic that does Cool Glide. Remember the name, Cool Glide. Again, Cool Glide is the only true laser, and it's the only laser that's suitable to treat black skin without destroying the pigment of the skin. And that's the laser that should be used, and that's the laser that will solve your problem. So the answer is yes. Laser helps for black men, for ingrown hairs on the face, on the chin, and on the skull, on the back of the head. So until next time, guys, thank you and keep on asking. And of course, I always will answer. Ciao, guys. Bye, Eva.